Hello, friends. Welcome. Today, we've arrived in Jiaxing. This is the Smart for Sikon store we are about to visit. Inside, they use the Unite series products. Let's follow the camera and take a look of its workshop. Here, we have the column-type lifts with a 3+2 arm configuration and high legs. The tops are custom-colored. Over here are three types of post lifts, all of which are our standard models, with a 4.2-ton capacity. Our usual model, T42A. Here's a 3.5-ton for post lift, along with a 2-ton secondary lifting jack, which can be used with a wheel aligner for vehicle alignment. This 4-post lift model is the FS35D, specifically designed for wheel alignment. This is Unite's VA2020 aligner, notable for its short push distance, only 8 centimeters. In this aisle, you'll find tire changes and wheel balancers. This is the 226 tire changer, equipped with an independent right-hand helper arm, featuring a tilting design for compatibility with a larger workspace, and a 24-inch working turntable. It also comes with a tire protection kit and an inflation gauge. Here's the 838 wheel balancer, which comes with a laser and foot brake function. On display here are maintenance equipment. You can see the GD515, designed for changing automobile coolant. Next to it is the AC service station, equipped with a vehicle database, thermal printing, and it's a fully automatic cycle change model. Now, let me give you 5 reasons to choose Unite vehicle lifts. First, our lifts have a 4.2-ton capacity, suitable for the load requirements of current new energy vehicles. Secondly, the machine comes with insurance and CCPC certification. Thirdly, it features wire rope balance optimization, cylinder self-locking technology, and thickened insulation pad configuration. Fourthly, the 3+2 arm configuration can accommodate vehicles with varying wheelbases. Fifthly, it includes high columns as standard. These are the 5 great reasons to choose Unite gantry lifts. What do you think about it? Our tour of the Smart for Sikon store in Jiaxing ends here today. If any of you are interested in a product, please leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.